Ever so often you are using tools that you are not really using that often. So you know how to make walls and roofs and stuff, but sometimes you're using tools that you don't use that frequently to be able to know what to do exactly.
Terrains or something.
That's right.
Like that.
Now we do have an integrated help panel. So up here, if you hover the mouse, you know that the tooltips comes up, but you're also able to pin these out. So if you, for instance, want to work on a wall, let me just pin this out. This is the help tab. If I want to, for instance, draw a wall, and I just click on it, I see that the tooltips, actually the integrated help appears, and that helps me guide through the process. And especially
I can see there's a big difference here because
yes.
when I can see this continuously, I can actually follow if it contains more than three steps. I have a very bad memory. And then you can, if you just hover over your mouse over a command, you can see only until the mouse cursor is over the command.
So this guides you through. Obviously, this is not something that you have to have it pinned, so that's the reason why we can sort of unpin it. Yeah. But if you have tools such as the automated route with profile, or you have a bunch of steps, so you might not be able to know exactly what to do after what, and that's the reason why we have these pinned here.
You can also make this larger, right, on the right hand side. You can change the size.
Yes, you can, but if you already know,
if you have a wider monitor or something like that.
If you already know what you're doing, then you can just then you can just disable that.